How to link bank account to Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can link bank account to Cash App. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Cash App. Then what you'll need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right. After you tap on it, what you'll need to do is head over to Linked Bank. Then from there, tap on Link Bank. After you do that, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions, select your bank after that, and after that, continue to your login. Then simply log in into your account by typing in your username and then your password for online banking, and you'll get logged in into your account. After you do that, Cash App will ask you to access your information. You will need to grant it permission. After you do that, you can then select which account you want to share data from. So make sure that you select your account, the only account that you want to select the share the data from, and then tap on continue. After you do that, you can finally authorize your connection, and then your bank account will be linked successfully. After the bank account is linked successfully, you can also check it under the linked banks section, and you're good to go. And that's how you link your bank account to Cash App. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.